Lightroom presets are basically predefined sliders where you could easily edit your images. So if you're wondering how you could download and install presets in Lightroom, so let's get right into it. So if you could Google Lightroom presets, one of the best websites where you could download and install Lightroom presets are from um, free Lightroom presets. So the website is freelightroompresets.co. So you can simply download the presets available from their website. So let's say, for example, if I click on this one, there's a download link. So you could download the preset and then install it on your Lightroom application. So going to the Lightroom, so as you can see, I've already done it in my application. As you can see on the presets tab, I have multiple presets which I can use. So I've already copy and pasted it. So basically you just have to simply copy and paste the presets in the roaming profile of your Adobe Lightroom, particularly in the developing presets. So if you have already downloaded, just like on my system, so how would you be able to install it? So simply go to Edit and then select Preferences, and there's a Presets tab there. Select Show Lightroom Develop Presets. Okay, so when you click it, it would open the Windows Explorer. You just have to simply copy and paste the presets from the your user profile, App Data, Roaming Profile, Adobe Lightroom Develop Presets. Just copy and paste it, and upon copying and pasting it, boom, here you go. You would see the presets here where you could easily apply the presets of your choice to your pictures quickly. So basically that's how you download and install your presets in Lightroom. So don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so you could get regular updates on my YouTube that I'm regularly uploading every week. Thank you.